In this video, we'll do some playing with the string. We'll learn about some of its usage. So we know that we can print something like I am Mustafa. But the interesting thing is I can use the plus operator. So I can say I am plus space plus Mustafa is going to print I am Mustafa. The plus is an operator. There is a new section that is named operators. You will learn more about that. And the interesting thing here is we can concatenate. We can concatenate strings. So the plus operator can do this string concatenation for us. Let's see it more examples. We can say have a string 1 I am, another string 2 Mustafa with a space here in the middle. We can write str1 plus str2 and it's going to give you I am Mustafa. So the moral of that is we can write this plus operator to concatenate the strings. Even Python has something more interesting. You can multiply a string with some number. When you say str1 times 3, this means repeat str1 3 times. So str1 is I am. So it's going to be I am, I am, I am. So we can add the plus between two strings or we can multiply them. Now I can do something like that. 2 times str1 plus str2. 2 times str1 is going to duplicate str1 2 times, which is I am, I am. Then plus str2, which is Mustafa, is going to add the word Mustafa. And so on. You can say have str1 with hello, and then str3 with str1 plus str2 plus str1, and so on. So the moral of that is we can do the plus or the asterisk over strings to get this meaningful results. The other thing that I would like to teach you is the \t. Remember, when things start with the backslash, for some specific characters like the t, we call them escape character. We learned before about the \n, which allow us to go to a new line. The \t is allowing for a tab. A tab is some character that move to the next stop in the console, in the text. By default, every 8 spaces. I don't want to confuse you about that, but if you write hello \t, this is going to be hello 3 spaces \t. Why 3 spaces? Because every 8 spaces are considered. So the word hello is 5 letters. So what is the next multiple of 8? It will be hello 3 spaces. This is now an 8. If you said hello \t, then hello, and then it would be followed by around 11 spaces, because like 5 and 11 is 16, which is multiple of 8, and so on. The moral of that is the \t is give you a bunch of spaces which are very useful. This is an optional reading about the tab if you would like to read it. If you don't get it for now, this is totally okay. The second interesting thing to know about is the using the 3 double quotes. We learned before that if you wrote 3 double quotes like that, it's just a comment. But if it happened in the middle of a function this way, for example, it's going to be a printing statement, normal printing statement. So when you say print and you pass here an input, 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes, it will be a completely useful string here. Now, one great advantage here is you can use single quotes and double quotes inside the same string in a very normal way. You can define 3 double quotes here, 3 double quotes, and then use single quotes and double quotes as you would like. There is also another interesting thing. Let's say you would like to write a multi-line something. You can write it with them in an easy way. You can write here the 3 double quotes, easily print new line on several lines, line empty using me. So the output would look like that guy. So also it has an advantage in easily writing several lines together. Back to the spaces. Yeah, I think this is the same message that I wanted to say. If you try to see here, you would notice that the hello space here, so it's almost like 8 spaces, and here it will be like almost 16 spaces. Yeah, that's all. That's all for today.